All right, guys. So in this less than 5 minutes video, we are quickly going to be talking about the latest updates regarding the grass airdrop. All right. So as you all may have known, they have been what we call community call, which took place yesterday. And now on this video, I'm going to be telling you guys the most important thing, which is of course the confirmation of the date for the season 2 airdrop claim. All right, so I'm going to be rounding everything very quickly. So on this video, like I already told you guys, it is going to be a very short one. Do not skip, make sure you watch it till the end. Okay, so and if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please kindly do well to click that subscription button down below. Make sure you turn the bell on so that whenever I post new video, YouTube will send it to you immediately. Also go ahead to like this video and share it. Okay, so right now currently we are on the epoch 13. All right, so which we all can see right here. Okay, you can see this is actually my current earning right here on the third epoch. I've earned about 314,000 grass airdrop points, and when we come over here to reward, you will get to find out that we have what we call gems. Okay, so these gems are what actually shows the total network used from your own end. Okay, so currently on epoch 13 I've earned about 10.7 gems right there. They call it diamond. So over here, let me quickly summarize to you guys what they say right there on the community call right here. They actually call it grass token holder and network participation call. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you guys the most important thing that concern us, which is of course the airdrop claiming date. All right, so for a lot of you out there who have been doubting the date for the airdrop claim, which is of course the season 2, because already they have done their season 1, so we are now waiting for the season 2 to claim it. Okay, so over here I'm quickly going to be telling you guys the date. So they said a lot of things right here, telling you the business overview, and of course telling you the network and product progress, and they also went ahead to tell you some stuff like token and on-chain direction. And finally, when you scroll down, you can see what we have right here, which is of course, let me show you real quick. So we have looking ahead. All right, so this looking ahead is very important part of the stuff that actually concern us. So you can go ahead to read all those ones by yourself, but let me quickly talk about this one right here. They say looking ahead. This looking ahead simply means that the areas where grass will focus. Okay, so they say over here, over the next 6 to 12 months, grass will focus on 3 areas. So from now till next 6 to 12 months, grass airdrop is actually going to be focusing on these 3 major areas that they highlighted right here. After that, we are going to be talking about the confirmation of the date for the season 2 airdrop claim. So they say right here, the first thing that they are going to be focusing on is of course launching live context retrieval and scaling adoption across enterprise and AI partners. Okay, now the second one is creating a better customer experience by automating and productizing the full stack. Okay, from downloading, filtering, routing, and billing to further increase efficiency and margin. Okay, now the third one is strengthening our position in multimodal data made possible by our structural cost advantages and operation scale. Okay, so this is what they're going to be focusing on. I don't really understand all of them, but let me just go straight to the most important one, because I don't want this video to be up to 5 minutes. Okay, so they say right here, as the network scales, grass is preparing let me show you real quick. As the network scales, grass is preparing the next iteration of its reward program. Airdrop 2 will be structured to better align incentive with long-term network contribution, with this distribution taking place directly through a new native wallet available through Grass dashboard. The foundation is actively developing the framework, and full detail regarding eligibility will be released once the account abstraction-based wallet infrastructure is live on the first half of 2026. So what I need you to take note of right here is the airdrop 2. Okay, and you can see what we have right here, airdrop 2, and the first half of 2026, and of course a new native wallet available through the Grass dashboard. So what they basically mean right here is that they are actually working on integrating a wallet into the Grass network dashboard. That is, if you have a Grass network account, there's going to be a space where you are going to have something like wallet, not something like wallet, but wallet. All right, through that wallet is where you are going to be claiming your airdrop. All right, so that is what they're basically saying right here. And what I need to take note of, like I already say, is airdrop 2 and a native wallet, and of course this is also important eligibility, and also first half of 2020. So they say that you are going to be claiming your token inside your grass airdrop dashboard through there. Then when you claim your token, then they are going to be, before you claim your token, it is going to be on the first quarter of 2026, meaning that it is going to be around January, February, or our highest March. Okay, before March, or before March runs out, you'll be claiming your season 2 airdrop reward. And they went ahead to say that they are going to be listing out the eligibility criteria. Okay, they are going to be listing out what you need to do or what you need to achieve to be eligible for the airdrop. So this simply means that you still have a lot of time to actually farm this airdrop, guys. So this video has gone up more than 5 minutes. Oh my god. Okay, so this is all you need to know right now regarding the grass airdrop. So position yourself. If you haven't started, start right now, as you still have a lot of chance of getting eligible for this grass airdrop. All right, so the link is going to be right there on the video description box. Do not forget to click on it to actually get the full details of how you can be able to join the airdrop and other stuffs like that. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll be talking to you on the next video that is going to be dropping very, very soon.